Hello, today is October 27th, 2025, and we have Category 5 Hurricane Melissa to talk about. And this is not your average late October hurricane. This is going to be the strongest hurricane to ever make landfall in the island of Jamaica. And not only that, it is extremely rare to see hurricanes this strong this late in the season. Right now, well, I'll tell you that later. But we could see people in Jamaica be stranded on top of this mountain and people without houses for months. I'm scared to see how Jamaica will look after the next couple days. Again, it will make landfall tomorrow as a Category 5. Hurricane Melissa will produce catastrophic flash flooding. Right now, it is predicted to have isolated amounts up to 40 inches of rainfall, which is 1,016 millimeters, and the storm surge will completely inundate the especially the southern coast with up to 12 plus foot storm surge. Kingston will be spared a little bit, Jamaican capital, due to the fact that it's got kind of this coastline. Most of the storm surge will be centered in central Jamaica. It is possible this thing will continue to track a little further west. It's moving extremely slow, west at 3 miles an hour, with a maximum 1 minute sustained wind speeds of 165 miles an hour and a max wind gust of 200 miles per hour. Expected to make landfall as a Category 5 hurricane tomorrow, or October 28th, 2025, around 7 a.m. A little later than that, uh, with maximum sustained wind speeds of around 160 miles an hour and max wind gust around 195 miles an hour. Halves A model is showing it making landfall around central Jamaica with a minimal SLP, minimal surface low pressure at 910 miles at 910 SLP, and then it is showing it making landfall with a maximum sustained wind speed, max winds of 172 miles an hour. Well, rounded 173, 172.9, but close enough. The halves B model is showing a worst case scenario. It is showing it making landfall in western Jamaica, meaning the main part of Jamaica. Most of Jamaica will be exposed to the east, to the right side of the to the right quadrants, mainly the right front quadrant of the hurricane for the longest time, which I explained that in my past video on how those ones di- diff different different diff how each quadrant is different and how each quadrant has different effects. But it is showing max sustained wind speeds of around 192 miles an hour, so basically 200 mile an hour wind speeds, which is just absolutely crazy. I mean, I can't even put words on how catastrophic that would be. Herman model is showing it making landfall with a minimal SLP as at 914 millibars. Herman model is showing actually a better situation. It's still going to be super catastrophic, but a it is showing it making landfall with maximum sustained wind speeds of 157 miles an hour, which is less than the other ones, but that is still catastrophic. And it is also going to put most of Jamaica in the dirty side of the hurricane for the longest period of time. H. Wharf is showing a high-end Category 4 hurricane making landfall with wind speeds of 150 miles an hour, which is 5 miles away from Category 5 intensity, with a minimal SLP at 915 millibars. And again, on western Jamaica, which will expose most of Jamaica to the dirty side, meaning more storm surge, higher wind speeds, more rainfall, everything, stronger potential for stronger tornadoes, basically everything. This is what Hurricane Melissa currently looks like on the Jamaican radar. Again, most of Jamaica is already in the outer rain bands. It would just continue to get pummeled with more rainfall. This it's going to make landfall tomorrow, but it's going to feel effects from it starting from basically yesterday through the next couple days. It's going to be catastrophic already. Point is, this hurricane is going to be catastrophic for Jamaica, and it's going to leave these people without power, without communication, without running water, without food for weeks, maybe months. And the only way to get to get into and out of Jamaica for the next couple of weeks will most likely be helicopters. Cuba, which will also be affected, and it's just overall gonna be bad. People are probably gonna have to they all airports are already shut down. All docks are shut down. Uh, docks are probably gonna be taken out. Airports are not probably gonna be unusable for a long time. Overall bad. Please keep these people in your prayers. It's is not looking good for them. I've spent the past 3 years of my life personally studying every major hurricane that has made landfall in the United States from 1935 to 2025 now. And if I've learned anything from those, it's that it's going to be devastating. Now, I'll keep you updated on this as this situation progresses, but for now, thanks for watching this. Stay safe and bye.